Hello everybody and welcome to the Creatrix YouTube channel. I welcome you all in a fresh session of analog electronics. And my dear friends, when I say we are going to learn analog electronics from the very basic, I mean it. We will be learning from the very basic level to the very advanced level along with a lots and lots of questions. So before we do that, let me first introduce myself for my friend who is meeting me for the first time. My dear friends, my name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded the President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes and presently working as a director at an academy for GATE department. But my dear friends, the reason behind this series is because of the huge demand of analog electronics and the belief that whenever you ask for anything, we are there to deliver. Yes, my dear friends, we are here for you. We are here delivering for you. And when we say it, we'll support you to the very fullest level. And this series will help you crack GATE with the top rank. It will enable EC student to get 12 out of 12 and 5 out of 5 for electrical students. So my dear friends, if you want to learn with us live, then you can join an academy using the code AnkitESE to get an immediate 10% discount. And not only, my dear friend, 10% discount, it also brings you under my guidance so that I can help you do something that I have done. I can at least take you near to this goal. Okay. So if you also dream the same thing, then join me in this journey on an academy subscription using the code AnkitESE. Now, my dear friend, if you like the content that I deliver, you can watch more of my free videos on this URL, tinyurl.com/AnkitESE. Here you will find all my videos arranged subject-wise, chapter-wise, and you will find great content for free. And you are definitely going to love it. You are definitely going to enjoy. It not only includes conceptual videos, but it also includes problem-solving sessions. So just visit this once and you will fall in love with this URL. Don't forget it. It is a lifeline for you. And if you love the content that we are delivering on YouTube, we have created the first ever video book for you guys, where you will find all the videos along with all the notes that we provide arranged subject wise, chapter wise. So now, my dear friends, your dreams are no longer dreams. They are becoming a reality because you are getting a top quality course, well arranged, well structured, and that too for free. So what can be better than that? What can be better than that? Nothing, my dear friends. So we have empowered the dreams of those who earlier used to think that only the person with a huge amount of money can crack GATE with a top rank. No, my dear friends, that is not the case. Even you can do. Even you can do it. But yes, just you need to believe in yourself and visit this link. But remember, this is a case sensitive link, so write this in uppercase. Other than that, if you join plus subscription, you get all the top educators like me teaching you live in daily lectures, along with providing you daily practice paper, weekly quiz, test series, previous year question, practice question, crash course, rank improvement batch, and most importantly, clearing your each and every doubt. So if you join plus subscription, it is an entire world inside it. So you don't have to look outside. Once you enter plus, every need of yours will be taken care of, and we will make your journey as smooth as possible towards that destination of getting under 100, under 10 rank. Believe me, my friend, you leave that strategy part to us. You leave the content part to us. You just work hard and we will make sure that you obtain the top rank in GATE and ESE. And Iconic is a big brother of Plus. Yes, this is a little brother. So Iconic gives you everything that a Plus subscription gives, along with much more. The major part of Iconic is this personal coach, a person dedicated to you on a daily basis to get you the top rank, guiding you, getting your schedule design, making your strategy. Everything that you need to get the top rank is being done by this personal coach. He'll also create a study planner for you, which you can follow blindly and reach your destination with utmost ease. They will be analyzing your test result and tell you where you are lacking, how you can improve. So that way, my dear friend, everybody else will get a standard analysis, but you will get an analysis just tailor-made for you. Along with it, we have included study material additionally, theory and question bank, and soon we'll be introducing interview guidance into this. So this will become a complete package for a student who wants to take that journey from being an average student to sitting into a PSU or a MTech seat. So for them, this journey will be just like driving a Lamborghini to work. So that sort of a experience, that sort of a royal experience we are going to give you. So let's move on to the lecture, and if you want to join Unacademy, just make sure you use the code AnkitESE to get my guidance as well as to get 10% over and above whatever Unacademy offers you. So now let's move on to the lecture, dear friends, and let's see what we have in store for you.
Hi guys, in the previous lecture I introduced to you the concept of differential amplifier. So what did I tell you about differential amplifier? It is an amplifier which amplifies the difference of two input voltages, and in differential amplifier it is always desirable that the amplifier amplifies the difference and rejects the common signal or the noise signal. I told you that V0 can be written as superposition of the two outputs AD/VD plus AC/VC. Then VC I wrote as the average of the two inputs Vin1 plus Vin2 by 2, and Vd was the difference of the two inputs Vin1 minus Vin2. I told you there are four possibilities, like in the last video I told about dual input, unbalanced output. Similarly, we can have dual input, balanced output, and single input, balanced output, or single input, unbalanced output. These are possible four combinations or configurations of a differential amplifier. This we covered in the last lecture, in which I told you AD was minus RC by 2 RE, AC was minus RC by 2 capital RE. I also told about CMRR, which I told it is mod of AD by AC, and in dB it was 20 log on a base of 10 mod of AD by AC. Then we saw differential input resistance, which was the input resistance when the other input terminal was grounded, it was 2 beta RE, and the differential output resistance of output terminal with respect to ground, which was RC. So this we covered in the last video. In this video we will see the three remaining configurations of differential amplifier. Okay, so first I will be starting with dual input, balanced output. Now I told you that the DC analysis of the amplifier is independent of the configuration. It will be same for all four possible configuration, but AC analysis will vary. So let me try and draw the AC model. So when I am drawing the AC model, what I will do here is I will ignore the source resistance. Okay, this is V in 1. I am ignoring the source resistance. This is R pi, IB1. This is the ammeter terminal. This is a current source beta, IB1. If you ground VCC, RC is connected between collector and ground. RC. This is V01. Then I will start drawing from the other side. V into. I am again ignoring the source resistance. This is R pi. This is IB2. This is beta, IB2. This is the ammeter terminal. Then we have this RC, and this is V02. Now the two ammeter terminals are tied together and they are connected to RE, below which there will be ground due to grounding the DC source. Okay, that will be the equivalent circuit. Now what I want is the differential gain. First of all, see one thing. What do we do for common mode gain? For common mode gain, in the previous video I told you, we keep V in 1 equal to V in 2 equal to Vs. If both the input voltages are equal, the output voltage will also be same. Why will it be same? Because both transistors are identical and all the circuit components like RC, RS, everything is same. If V01 is equal to V02, then the overall output voltage, which is the difference of these, will be 0. Which means V0 by Vs would be 0. So here we get 0 common mode gain, but it is not practical. Why not practical? Because practically both transistors can never be identical. There will be some small difference between the transistors. They can never be identical, and hence you can say that here common mode gain will be non-zero, but it will be very small. Okay, it will be very small, and I cannot determine this common mode gain. Why I can't determine? Because I am assuming both transistors to be identical. Here I have assumed both transistors are identical, and in such a scenario the common mode gain would be 0. What about differential gain? For differential gain, what did I tell you in the last video? V in 1 equal to minus V in 2 equal to Vs by 2. If both input voltages are negative of each other, their base currents are also, or the input currents are also negative of each other. If the input currents are negative of each other, then the current here is 1 plus beta IB1. The current here is by KCL 1 plus beta IB2. Since IB1 and IB2 are negative of each other, the current here is 0 ampere. Okay, the current here is 0 ampere, so this voltage is 0 volt. Now what I will do is I will apply KVL like this. So what I will write, V in 1 equal to IB1 into R pi. Okay, that is what is the KVL here. What about V01? V01 polarity will be like this, but due to current source the polarity is opposite. Okay, due to current source this polarity is coming to be opposite. So how you will write V01? Minus beta IB1 into R pi. And I am saying that IB1 is equal to IB, so minus beta IB R pi. What about V in 2? V in 2, if you apply KVL here, it is equal to IB2 into R pi. Okay, what about V02? V02 is, see, plus minus is like this, but due to this current source the polarity will be opposite. So what is V02? V02 is minus beta IB2 into R pi. Now I know that IB2 is actually negative of IB1 equal to minus IB. So I can write it as beta IB R pi, which means the overall V0, which is V01 minus V02, if you subtract these two values you will get minus 2 beta IB, sorry, not R pi, this is a mistake. Actually that beta IB current is flowing through RC. Okay, so this resistance here should be RC. Now I will take difference, 2 beta IB RC. And what about Vs? Vs is V in 1 minus V in 2. V in 1 minus V in 2 is IB1 minus IB2 into R pi. Now IB2 is minus IB1, so 2IB R pi. So what is the differential mode gain? It is V0 by Vs. If you take the ratio of these two, you will get minus 2 beta RC by 2 R pi. minus beta RC by R pi. R pi is beta RE. So minus RC over RE. Earlier we saw in dual input unbalanced output it was minus RC by 2 RE. But here it is double of that, minus RC by RE. What about the input resistance? The input resistance remains same because it does not have anything to do with the nature of amplifier. It will always be 2 beta RE, and output resistance will also be same, equal to RC. So this input and the output resistance will not change. Even if you try and calculate using the same method, you will always get the same value, 2 beta RE. Okay. Next configuration, let us see single input unbalanced output. So let me start drawing the AC model because we are not interested in DC analysis. DC analysis is same for both kind of amplifier or all kind of amplifier. So what I'll do here, this will be your Vs. Suppose I ignore Rs. Between base and ammeter there will be a resistance R pi. The current will be IB1. Then this current source will be beta IB1. This terminal is ammeter. R0 is ignored. But if you ground this VCC, this RC is connected between collector and ground. RC will be connected between collector and ground. Okay. This is V01. Similarly, I will start drawing from the right hand side, but here Vs is 0. So I will draw like this. R pi. This current will be IB2. The current source here will be, I will write like this, beta IB2. Then there will be a resistance RC. Suppose this is V02. Now in this case of ours, for unbalanced output, V01 is equal to V0. We don't have to use V02. Then ammeters are connected together. If ammeters are connected together, then this VEE will be grounded. This will be done by means of a resistance RE. Now one more thing that I'll have to do is, I'll have to connect these grounds together. That means this Vs source is connected between the two input terminals. Like this. So if this current is IB1, this current is IB1, from here you can say that IB2 will be minus IB1. Here again I am interested in finding the differential mode gain. So the current here is 1 plus beta IB1. The current here again is 1 plus beta IB2. But both currents are negative of each other, hence the current in RE is 0 ampere. And the voltage here is 0 volt. Now when you apply KVL, apply it like this. So what you can say, Vs is IB1 into R pi. Now this V01 will be like this. Due to this current source, plus minus will be opposite. So you can say that V01 will be minus beta IB1 into RC. Or if you write IB1 as IB, so minus beta IB RC. Now what about V02? This is beta IB2. This current will flow like this. V02 polarity is like this, but actual polarity will be opposite. If actual polarity is opposite, you can write V02 as minus beta IB2 into RC. Now I know IB2 is negative of IB1. So minus IB, because I am writing IB1 as IB. So beta IB RC. Now for the case of unbalanced output. For the case of unbalanced output, V0 is V01, which is minus beta IB RC. What about Vs? Vs I just now wrote as IB1 into R pi. Okay. IB1 into R pi I have written. Or 1 minute. Basically I have to apply KVL like this. I can't go just in that manner. I have to go up to here in this loop. So Vs is IB1 into R pi, or let me apply complete KVL again. I am applying in loop. Vs is Vs minus IB1 into R pi, then plus IB2 into R pi equal to 0. So Vs is IB1 minus IB2 into R pi. So I have applied KVL in this entire loop. From there I can say that Vs is IB1 minus IB2 into R pi. If that is Vs, IB2 is minus IB, 2IB R pi. So what about the differential mode gain? It is V0 by Vs minus beta IB RC by 2IB R pi. IB gets cancelled. R pi is nothing but beta RE. So it is minus RC by 2RE. Okay. And the differential input resistance will remain same, 2 beta RE. Differential output resistance will also remain same, that is RC. The other case with single input can also have balanced output. Balanced output means I am making use of V01 and V02. In the previous case, I wrote V01 as minus beta IBRC, V02 as beta IBRC. Now you are taking V0 as the difference of the two voltages. So minus 2 beta IB RC. If V0 is the difference of two voltages and Vs I just now wrote, Vs was 2IB R pi. So what is the gain? The gain, differential mode gain, is V0 by Vs, which is minus 2 beta IB RC by 2IB R pi. IB gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, minus beta RC by R pi. R pi is itself beta RE. So minus RC by RE. That is double of the gain that we derived in the unbalanced output. And what about the differential resistance? It is always same, 2 beta RE. What about differential output resistance? It is also same, RC. So most of the questions that are framed on differential amplifier don't require these derivations. We just need these formulae. So let me summarize all the formulae for you. First is dual input, unbalanced output. Then dual input, balanced output. Single input, unbalanced output. Single input, balanced output. The differential gain in unbalanced output will always be minus RC by 2RE. But here we also derived common mode gain, which was minus RC by capital RE. With balanced output the gain doubles. With unbalanced output it is half. With balanced it is double. And the differential input resistance is always same, 2 beta RE, and differential output resistance is also same, RC. So that is how you deal with the differential amplifier. If you remember this, you can solve any problem. But also remember how we have derived this expression, because if you are very well versed with drawing the model, no matter how complicated the circuit is, you will never get stuck in any sort of BJT amplifier, whether it is single stage, multiple stage or differential amplifier. The concept remains same. We have to replace BJT by its small signal model. Okay. So that is all from this lecture. In the next one, I'll show you some problems based on differential amplifier. Thank you.
I hope all of you have enjoyed the lecture that we were providing, and all of you learned something very, very good. Now is the time to learn about the Unacademy subscription. So as I told the benefits of the Plus subscription at the very beginning, let's go through them very quickly. Live classes you get by the top educators, crash course, rank improvement batch, doubt clearing, weekly quiz, test series, previous year question, practice question, everything in one subscription called as Unacademy Plus. And Iconic is one level higher. It provides you a personal coach who will mentor you on a daily basis, who will guide you on a daily basis, along with providing you study planner, test analysis, study material, and soon enough, interview guidance. So if you are looking to join Unacademy, let's see what are the pricing. So my dear friends, before we see the pricing, just see the link. This link will help you crack GATE and ESE with the top rank, because we have created the first ever video book for GATE and ESE for my YouTube family, and you will get the notes as well as the lectures here. Just make sure that you write this link in the uppercase and you will get to the first ever video book for GATE and ESE, and it is nothing but revolutionary. Now let's see the pricing of Plus subscription. So for 12 months the pricing is 3250, but if you apply the code Ankit ESE, it becomes 27225. For 18 months it will be 34650, and for 24 months 39600. Believe me my dear friend, this is the most affordable pricing, and the longer duration subscriptions are more cost effective as compared to shorter duration. Like here it will cost you 1650 per month. Okay, this will be 2000 per month approx. This will be around 2250 per month. Then if you go for Iconic for 12 months, it is 5250. With code Ankit ESE it becomes 45225, and 2-year subscription becomes 66600. So the choice is yours, but take a longer duration subscription for more cost effective solution, and to give GATE and ESE at least 2 times, so that if you once crack GATE, in the next attempt you can even get ESE. And other than that my friends, you can download the Unacademy learning app right now, because there we provide live classes for free, test series and live quizzes for free. And once you download it, make sure that you follow this profile. This is my profile, so that whenever I come live you will get the notification. And this is the Telegram channel for our team. Here you will find all the lecture links, all the lecture files, and all the links for the special classes. Other than that my friend, my personal Telegram channel also you can join, t.me/GateAIR1. Here you can get in touch with me and we can take this journey together. Okay. Other than that, we have other YouTube channels like Mechanical, Civil and Telugu, JEE channel, Computer Science, Gate Question and Electrical Junction, Pathshala and GS Terminal. Electrical Junction contains short videos of great concepts. Pathshala provides you animated content. JEE preparation can be done through these 2 channels, Unacademy SSC JEE and GS Terminal. And you can refer the other channels to the other friends in respective branches, so that they can also be benefited. At last, I would like to say, please share, like and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel, and not only subscribe, press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever a new video comes. And share these videos among all your college group, among all your friends, so that we can create the first ever revolution of free education in field of GATE and ESE. Thank you to everybody for dedicating time to watching this video. Please move on to the next one as well, and take the benefit of all the free content that we are providing. And in case you have completed the series, do make sure you watch the other subjects available on this channel. Thank you.